Okay, let's do some subtraction problems. Okay, so when you subtract decimals, keep in mind using same change opposite if you want to, and then using your addition rules for positives and negatives. Okay, and again, make sure you have the decimal points lined up when you add or subtract. Okay, so let's do the first one. Subtract 13.4 minus 25.29. Okay, if you want to, you could same change opposite this. Okay, keep 13.4 the same. Change subtract to add. And then the opposite of 25.29 is negative 25.29. Okay, so now that we have an addition problem, we can tell that we're adding a positive to a negative, so the signs are different. Okay, when the signs are different, you subtract and keep the bigger sign. Okay, so we're going to subtract. We're going to take the larger in absolute value, 25.29, minus 13.4, keeping the decimal points lined up. Stick a 0 there. 9 minus 0 is 9. Borrowing to make that 12 minus 4 is 8. I borrowed, make that a 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, decimal point still remains right underneath the others. Okay, we get 11.89. Okay, so we knew to subtract, but we need to keep the sign of the larger number. Okay, the number that's larger in absolute value. Okay, the 25.29 is the larger number, and it's negative. So the final answer is a negative 11.89. Okay, the next one, subtract negative 5 minus 12.6. Okay, so again, same change opposite if you need to. Okay, negative 5 stays the same. Change subtract to add. The opposite of 12.6 is a negative 12.6. Okay, we have a negative plus a negative, so the signs are the same. When the signs are the same when we add them up and keep the sign. So we're going to add these two up. Notice I just put the 12.6 first because it has more digits. Okay, 5. We got to make sure that that decimal point after the 5 is lined up right underneath the decimal point of 12.6. Okay, add these up, you get 6, 7, 1. 17.6. Okay, now go back and think about the sign. We have a negative plus a negative. Okay, the signs are the same, so we keep the common sign to be negative. Okay, negative 17.6. Okay, try the next two write-it problems and see how you do.